Now that's the latest design for this year's kitchen renovation. Kitchen do not install only open a sliding door, but remove one side of the non-load-bearing wall. Customized storage bar, convenient for daily breakfast. Underneath can also be embedded in a small freezer, above the design of the stand-up cabinet, storage wine and tea. Inside the cabinet designed pull-out panels, storage of small kitchen appliances, to release the space of the kitchen countertops, in the installation of hanging rail sliding door. Open is a half-open kitchen. Kitchen sink area should be raised 10 centimeters. Dishwashing and meal preparation without bending. Under the installation of pots and pans storage racks. The middle of the installation of U-shaped metal pull-out baskets. Storage of daily cleaning items and tools. Kitchen top suction hood. The smoking port is too high, easy to run smoke. Protruding from the hanging cabinet is easy to touch the head. But the installation of the top side of the double suction hood. Smoke will not run. Cooking is refreshing. Kitchen refrigerator around, do not waste. But custom combination cabinets, embedded zero embedded refrigerator. High cabinets to put not commonly used kitchen utensils. The following is a super large storage room. Put the kitchen bits and pieces. The installation of louvered doors, breathable and dustproof. The corner of the installation of cabinets to store commonly used spices. Follow me to view more decoration collections.